Hello guys, welcome to my first long form video. We're going to be doing a creek fishing challenge, but first we're going to get warmed up with some bass fishing. Let's get it.
So, the rules of this challenge. I will be using soft plastics, he will be using hard plastics. In a creek that we've never gone that far down. So this is going to be interesting. Let's do this.
Alright, first cast. Yeah.
What's up, y'all? I got the big old chatter donk here.
Even though this was my first cast, something pretty crazy happened. No, I had a bite! But somehow I missed the hook set. Oh, it was not that big, but it was still a bite. I just got backlash.
I'm not gonna lie. Look at that.
But luckily, someone else caught a fish. Let me see it. Yep, just a little small bass. First bass of the day, though. All right, let him go. But eventually, I had some luck, too. Look at the bird. Caw-caw. Fish, 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 fish. I don't know. It's a fish, though.
Oh, I just stepped in the pothole.
Finally, a fish in the crawfish lure. Let's go. Let's go.
Dink City. Wait, where do you cast?
I'm not telling you.
I know where you casted. Do you think there's big ones out there?
I don't know.
Bigger than mine, right?
Probably.
Let me see that. Let me see that, please.
Oh, yeah.
Why are you shoving me in the book?
I cannot believe you actually caught a fish. You haven't caught a fish in so long.
I know.
Right?
So the crawfish lure worked pretty good then.
You caught a single fish.
So?
I'm just happy that the hookup worked.
Oh, yeah.
I've been nervous about the hookup rate.
You gonna go?
Good that. Oh my god.
Wrong way.
Best CC.
Where'd it go?
Behind you, bro.
Where'd it go? Oh, here it is. It's in the grass.
Oh my god.
Come on.
You need to take that, bro.
All right.
That was a bomb. That was perfect.
We also had a fellow fisherman fly by.
I've never been there.
Burb flying towards us. Dun 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 dun. Oh yeah, it's so cool. I love these birds. These big birds that eat big fish for dinner. Then I had the bright idea to walk to the other side of the shore.
10 feet away from me. I'm eating it.
Alright, I hope I remember the path. Zach, your socks might get a little bit wet. Another bird appeared. Oh yeah, look, a bird right there. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Look at that bird. That's a pretty bird. Look at that. And the fish just hit the water too. It's a really pretty bird. With the bird brought fish. Bruh. But I missed the hook set again. Oh, yo, a squirrel. Look at that.
What'd you catch?
It's a squirrel eating a nut off a tree. That's so cool. Look at that. That's so cool. See him, Mr. Squirrel. That's actually pretty cool. There's a squirrel right here eating a nut off a tree or a fruit. I'm not sure. It was eating something. While I was over here, my friend caught a fish.
Oh my gosh, I just hooked up. That's a nice bass.
Oh, yeah. Good job.
Oh. Probably a pound.
Yeah. Is that the biggest one today?
Yeah.
I caught the smallest one, sadly.
This spot wasn't getting me a lot of bites, so I decided to leave. Yep, we're gonna move spots now. I think there's no big fish over there.
We recorded it for your channel.
Thank you. We'll catch you guys at the next spot. All right, you're at the next spot. Let's hope we can catch more fish here. Then we'll head to the main attraction, the creek fishing. And the screaming of dogs. Bird! Bird. Big bird catch big fish. Yeah, I'm not quite sure why I pointed out every single bird I saw. Alright, let's get it right. Oh, already, instantly. No way, it just came off. No! I cast it and it instantly got a bite. It was actually a pretty good sized fish and it came off. The bass fishing wasn't going so well, so we decided to switch to the creek fishing challenge. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you guys how to win. It's by points. Bluegill and sunfish are 1 point, crappie are 3 points, bass are 5 points, and catfish are 10 points. First up, we're throwing this lure. I had got no clue what it is.
Throwing a little jig head on a little lime grub that looks horrible.
He's not really a part of the challenge, but he's throwing this little fish thing.
A little over Apollo, kind of.
We are currently heading to the creek. All right. I've spooked the fish over there, but we are at the first spot. Let's hope we catch something. Okay. Oh, fish, let's go. No! Come on. Oh, buddy. That's a bad place to be, man. All right. First fish goes to me. Nice little bluegill. I get 1 point. I get 1 point. No way he got one too. Is it a bluegill?
Yeah. Got one.
Ooh, caught a bluegill.
Nice little bluegie.
Okay, that's 1 point for him.
I think Alex just caught one too. So.
Yeah. He just caught one over there.
Yeah, on the little lime
On the
green
little
grub.
lime green.
Don't tell your buddies about that one, buddy.
All right, we're 1-1. I decided to move spots. Catch you guys once I'm there. Oh, this spot looks good. Right here. Right there. Just like drop it down. Now that should work. Almost like jig it, kind of. We'll do one of these actions. Try to get it out for you. I now realized that the lure that I was using was not going to work. I wanted to use my grasshopper lure, but I forgot that I left it at home, so I had to go. I gotta go. I can't let Mal catch any more fish. I'm sure he's probably caught a few by now.
And third fish.
Pretty little bluegill sunfish thing. So, put him back.
Yeah.
On the white grub, we switched because I got snagged.
Yeah.
So that's Soft Plastics team checking in.
Yep.
Got him. Brought him. Faster.
Guys, I think white might be the magic. 4 points for the Soft Plastics team.
Gotta go. Gotta go. Gotta go.
Another pretty little bluegill.
Come on. Gotta open the fence. Come on. Open the fence. Go. Go. Go.
Sunfish on the board for the Soft Plastics team. This is a good spot.
Alright, guys. They got 5 fish already. I gotta go. This. I think it's like a bass. To get back up. Come on. That's about Luber. I'm trusting you.
6th bluegill, 6th point. Guys, I think we're winning. Soft Plastics for the win. Remember to pollute our earth with soft plastics. Pretty little bluegill. I think we're gonna move spots now, actually, because someone dropped a tree in the roof.
You see, I've actually fished here a few times, so I know that there's quite a few fish over here. Right here. Mal doesn't know that. I had to follow. I had to follow. They're attacking it. Come on, bite it. Bite it. Yeah, it's right there. Right there. They're just staring at it. Here we go. All right. 2 points. Thank you so much for biting. You like. Do I have it? Do I have it? Let's go. 3 points. Thank you, buddy. Don't tell your friends. Oh, oopsie. Boy. Look at this doofus taking up my spot. What? Now he's just cheating. Okay, so you're probably confused why I said he's cheating, but I didn't get it on camera. Basically, Niall got snagged, and he just said, "Run!" And my brother just gave him his rod, so he doesn't have to tie things on or get things unsnagged. It's so unfair. I had to run for 10 minutes to get my lure back. It's so unfair! No, he's got another player. He's cheating. Yes, you do. If you get snagged, you can just grab on to the other one. Uh-huh. I'm sure. I'm sure. It's not. Oh my gosh. This is why I hate treble hooks so much. They always wrap around the line. And it will always happen like on a good cast too. It's not that good. They're so shy.
Was the bass in here?
I don't know. It might have been a bass. I couldn't tell. But it was really big topwater for a bluegill. Bro, I cannot cast to save my life.
That's not topwater, is it?
Yes, it is. Well, it can be. Like, it always stays at the top.
Bluegill are not biting me right now.
You've casted twice, and you're already starting to complain. And there's like 10,000 mosquitoes over here.
Going. Let's go. W, boys. Dang fish. 8th fish on the soft plastics team. Bye.
Oh, we're moving spots. This spot's infested with mosquitoes. All those bluegill just following it in. They're so small. There's another one. All right. What's that, like 4? Oh no, please don't say that like that. Oh, yes, we got it. Heck yeah. All right, this is fish number 5. We're catching up. Slowly but surely. Boop.
8th fish, we have 9 points. Soft plastics team, about to win this. How? Give him a nice, safe release.
All right, guys, we got 10 more minutes. Let's hope, I don't know, maybe by the grace of God, we'll get a bass somehow. That's really the only possible way we can win, is if we can catch a bass. Oh, let's go. Another bluegill. Wait. No! There's no way. There's actually no way. Oh my gosh. There's no way that just came off. Right there. I know. Because he's cheating. He's using you. See, I had to go back and grab my lure. If he loses the lure, he just has used it. Get down from that tree, boy! You see, Nalo would just go, run! And he could still be fishing. I can't. And we broke off. Perfect. I'm gonna go grab that real quick. That almost just fell in the water. Where'd the lure go? Oh, it's right there. Of course, it's a thorn tree. I think that's GG's. I mean, we all knew the soft plastics were gonna win anyways. Welp. Thank you guys so much for watching our first long form video. This was really fun to make, and tell me if you guys liked it and what you want to see more of.